In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use a garden plot in LEGO Fortnite. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the garden plot and also how to make one from scratch. So you will need two things. First, you need a shovel. You will notice that I am doing this process on sandbox mode, but don't worry, you will be able to follow all the steps on survival. So acquire your shovel. This can be any rarity, so common, uncommon, rare, or epic, it doesn't matter. We're going to be using the shovel to get some dirt, so you will be able to dig through most terrains and you will be able to get soil and dirt. Once you have these pieces of soil or dirt, the next thing to do is to acquire fertilizer. So by just following random animals throughout the world, you will be able to get fertilizer. As you can see here, they just leave them as droppings and you can go ahead and collect them. Once you have these fertilizers, go over to any crafting bench and like I said, you will be able to use them in conjunction to make the garden plot. So once you have acquired the fertilizer and the soil or the dirt, you will be able to craft the garden plots. So as you can see, it's 2 soil and 1 fertilizer per plot. Now I am doing this in sandbox, but once again, you will be able to follow along in survival, so you can place them wherever you wish. Now, you will have the option to interact with the garden plot. Now you can drag any seeds in this single spot here. So I have some examples of seeds that are able to be used, and immediately upon dragging them here, they will appear on the garden plot. So plant them as necessary, and you will be able to use a bunch of garden plots all together to plant more and more of these seeds. It is extremely simple to use, and afterwards you just have to leave them here. You can take them all if you want, but you can store one here for later. Whatever you prefer to do, the garden plots are always going to be available, and you can do a bunch in a row to make sure that you have a nice little garden plot around your village. I hope I was able to help you on how to use garden plots in LEGO Fortnite. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.